All right, now we're getting into the good stuff. Now, this is the same as, don't know why I'm writing that in red. Okay, so this is the same as 2 times log base A of A. Log base A of A is just 1, so it's 2 times 1, which is 2. I've asked you to do every second. Okay, and this is the same as log base A of A to the minus 1. Take the minus 1 out the front, so it's minus log base A of A. Log base A of A is just 1, so it's minus 1. Okay, so 8 was nice and quick. Let's do 9. Or 11, whichever. So if I've got 9a, we've got log base of x cubed, which is the same as 3 times log base a of x. Oh, they just want us to leave it in terms of log a to the x. So we're going to get everything as like something log a to the x. Or log a to the x times something. Or log a to the x plus something. Okay, BC. Okay. Log base a of root x, well that's the same as log base a of x to the half, which means it's just half log base a of x. Too easy. Like once you get the hang of these rules, it's super simple, this exercise. Question E, this time we've got log base a of x cubed minus log base a of x to the 5. Which means we've got, take the numbers out the front, 3 log base a of x minus 5 log base a of x. Now, like terms, like if I had 3m minus 5m, that comes out as negative 2m, doesn't it? So 3 log base a of x minus 5 log base a of x is negative 2 log base a of x. Forgot what I was doing, F. So this time we've got, no, I just did E, G. Why does the alphabet even have an order? So this time we've got 2 times log base a of a to the 4 minus log base a of x to the 8. Well, first steps, we've got 2 lots of 4 log a of a, so I just took that 4 out the front and the 2 was already there, so I just wrote it in times to show myself that. Minus, take the 8 down the front, log base a of x, 2 times 4 is 8, log a of a minus 8 log a of x. Now log base a of a is just 1, so it's 8 times 1, which is 8. And then I can't do anything to this one. And I don't know if they want to factorize it, but why not? I mean, if they don't tell you, I wouldn't, but just in case. That's the last one for those. Question 10. Okay, we're going to... Okay, so we're essentially going to separate the x's, the y's, and the z's. Remember the most 2 important rules for this one? Well, we've got 3 rules. Let's write them all down. Log base a of bc is the same as log base a of b plus log base a of c. Log base a of b on c is the same as log base a of b minus log base a of c. And log base a of b to the c, c log base a of b. Okay, may help you to write those down every time. So obviously for question 10a, it's going to be log base a of y plus log base a of z when you split them up. If they're multiplied, you split them up by adding. C is nice and easy as well. We just take the 4 down the front, so that's 4 lots of log base a of y. E, this one will be nice. We've got log base a of x plus log base a of y cubed. So log base a of x, I don't want to do anything, but this is the same as 3 log base a of y. And g, well, this is the same as log base a of y to the half because it's just a square root. That's a 2 there. which means it's half log base A of y. They weren't hard at all. That was nice. Question 11. Now, we've been told two different values for these. We've got log base 10 of 2. They're saying that's about 0.3. You check that in your calculator if you want. Log base 10 of 3, about 0.48. And they're giving us a shortcut to use. Log base 10 of 5 is the same as log base 10 of 10 minus log base 10 of 2. Don't forget log base 10 of 10 is going to be 1. So we know log base 10 of 5 equals 1 minus log base 10 of 2. I'm assuming that's just a shortcut we're going to use a lot. Okay, so for 11a, we've got log base 10 of 20. Now we know 2 and we know 3. We know log base 10 of 5. Okay, so this is the same as 20 is 4 times 5, yeah? So I'm going to split this up. I've got log base 10 of 4 plus log base 10 of 5. Now I know 4, I chose 4 because that's 2 squared. So that's log base 10 of 2 squared plus log base 10 of 5. 2 squared is the same as 2 lots of log base 10 of 2. I've still got this log base 10 of 5. Now let's start putting things in. So I've got 2 lots of log base 10 of 2 is 0.3. Log base 10 of 5, they told us that's the same as 1 minus, actually, not that I've done anything wrong, I just want to do it different. So that was 2 squared. So I've got log base 10 of 2 squared plus log base 10 of 5. Now 2 squared, same as 2 times log base 10 of 2. They told us log base 10 of 5 is the same as 1 minus log base 10 of 2. Do I need those brackets? No. I would if I was subtracting it, but I don't now. Which means I've got 2 log base 10 of 2 plus 1 minus log base 10 of 2. So I've got 1 lot of log base 10 of 2 plus 1, because you know 2m minus m is just 1m. Okay, I know log base 10 of 2, they've told me it's approximately 0.3 plus 1. So the answer is about 1.3. C, log base 10 of 360. 360. Well, that's the same as 10 times 36, which is the same as 2 times 5, and the 36 is 9 times 4, which means I've got the same as 2 times 5 times 3 squared times 2 squared. So I've got log base 10 of 2 cubed times 5 times 3 squared. I'm sure there was an easier way to do that, but I did it the long way. So that's the same as log base 10 of 2 cubed. Oh, I chose 2 and 3 and 5 because 2, 3, 5. Plus log base 10 of 5 plus log base 10 of 3 squared. So this is the same as 3 times log base 10 of 2. I've got log base 10 of 5, which is the same as 1 minus log base 10 of 2. And I've got, take the 2 down the front, log base 10 of 3. Now log base 10, I don't need these brackets. So that's the same as 3 times 0.3 plus 1 minus 0.3 plus 2 times about 0.48. I'm just going to check that in my calculator. so it's going to come out as approximately 2.56. Okay. Oh, they went in an approximation of log base 10 of 5. So 1 minus log base 10 of 2, 1 minus 0.30. So it's about 0.70. Okay. Whatever. So we've now got CE, log base 2 of root 8. Which is the same as log base 10 of 8 to the half, which means I've got half times log base 10 of 8. Now 8 is 2 cubed. Take that 3 down the front now, so I've got half times 3 times log base 10 of 2, half times 3 times, well, that's about 0.3. So 0.45. FG. Log base 10 of root 12. Okay, so let's get rid of that root first. Log base 10 of 12 to the half. So we've got half log base 10 of 12. Now I want this in terms of 2 and 3, or 5 at a pinch. So half log base 10 of 2 squared times 3. So I've got half outside of log base 10 of 2 squared plus log base 10 of 3. I don't know why I chose square brackets. I like the look of them. Half of, so that's 2 times log base 10 of 2. And then I've just got log base 10 of 3. So it's a half times 2 times log base 10 of 2 was 0.3. Log base 10 of 3 of 1.48. I'm just going to chuck that in my calculator. Half outside of 2 times 3.3 plus 0.48, 0.54. Question 12, I think this is our last one. Okay. All right, so I think I'm going to work to get things in terms of log base A 2, 3, and 5, and then I'm going to substitute x, y, and z in at the end. So this is like question 11, but without actual numbers in our answers. So log base A of 64, well, that's the same as log base A of 2 to the 6, so it's 6 log base A of 2, and they told us log base A of 2 was x, so it's 6x. Okay, log base A of 27, A to the 5. So that's the same as log base A of 27 plus log base A of the 5. Now, log base A of 27, I want that in terms of 2, 3, or 5. That's 3 to the 3 cubed. Log base A of the 5, well, that's the same as 5 log base A of A. This is the same as 3 log base A of 3. And now log base A of A, log base anything of itself is 1. Okay. Log base A of 3 was y, so I've got 3y plus 5 times 1 is 5. So x was log base A of 2. Y was log base A of 3. I'm assuming we're going to use z in our next one. Question E. Log base A of 1.5. Now, I don't know much about 1.5, but I do know that it's 3 divided by 2. So I'm going to rewrite it as that. Because now I can be like, well, that's log base A of 3 minus log base A of 2. And they've told me log base A of 3 is y, log base A of 2 is x. And leave it like that. FG, And now we've got log base A of 0.004. Oh, 0.04, sorry. So that's the same as 400, so I'm just going to write it like that first. Now 400 is the same as 1/25. Which is the same as 5 to the minus 2. So it's -2 log base A of 5 and log base A of 5, z. So it's -2z.